I'm Joe, and this is how I made this video.
Joe, ഇങ്ങനെ ചുമ്മാ ഇരിക്കുക, do something useful and do something creative.
So after being told by my mum to do something useful in quarantine, I decided I should start a YouTube channel. So I did some research. By research, I just mean watching videos. After watching some videos, I decided I should upload a video taken on my phone to see if the quality was actually okay. I uploaded, and it was shite. So I went back into the kitchen, made some coffee, and back up to my room, jumped on the laptop, started doing some more research. I looked everywhere for cameras, every single kind of camera that was within my budget. Eventually I came across a camera that was cheap enough, but the quality wasn't too bad. So I borrowed some money and I bought the camera, and then I waited. So after 3 days it came. Took a video, posted it on my channel on private to see the quality. Quality was good, but the audio was terrible. I'll give anyone £100 to guess what I did next. Figured out that an external mic would actually contribute a lot towards a video. I borrowed some money off my brother. I asked him to buy me a mic, and then I waited. After a couple of days, the mic came and I was ready. But I had no idea what kind of video I wanted to make. I figured out the most popular first video that every single person does is a facts about me / 10 facts to get to know me video. Here's 10 facts about me. Number 1, my name is Joseph George Kurti Chalanari. Number 2, I don't know if that's the real order of my name. Number 3, I live in Oxford, England. Number 4, I couldn't talk till I was 2. What, mum? Tesco? What now? Can I take the car? Number 5, I can drive. Number 6, I come from Kerala, India. I'm also a Syro Malabar Catholic. Number 7, I'm just under 6'2". Number 8, I can speak Malayalam, I can speak English, and I can understand some Spanish. Number 10, definitely didn't forget number 9. My biggest pet peeve is when people use the wrong yaw. Just use the right one. Let me pause it right here. This is where the chalk meets cheese. I was talking about making the first video in the first part. Now I'm about to talk about the future of this channel. After making that kind of video, I realised that's not something I want to do. It's not a bit of me. So I googled and YouTubed a lot more. Basically, I realised the more specific content you create, the better your channel will grow. That's what a lot of YouTubers said, and I don't have that kind of niche in mind right now. Oh, this is so cliche, and I was kind of lost. But the biggest advice that every single video gave was just to get started, and that is this, isn't it? This video was meant to be much better, and by the time I edit this, it will be nowhere near. Oh, it was meant to be so good. Oh. Anyways, this is how I got to here. Thank you to the 8 of you that have made it to the end. I appreciate it. You're my all. Thank you for watching. Leave a like if you actually enjoy the video. If not, put a dislike on it. Actually, no, don't do that. Oh no, I can do better than that. Thank you for watching the video. I hope someone enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.